Okay, so I just got a notification that something arrived. It's a box. Okay, this is an interesting moment for me. Oh. I wonder what's in the box. Shall we go and see? Exciting. Oh, I'm just really emotional. I don't even want to pick the box up. Okay, I can do this. I can do this. Right. Right. So, oh my God, I feel a bit sick. This is an unboxing video. I know what's in this box, and it's the first time I will have seen a real life copy of Planet Grief. So before I open the box, I just want to share a few thoughts. God, I don't want to open the box. I don't want to open the box because of two reasons. And they are the two reasons that this box exists. So the two people I really would love to share this moment with, my mum and dad, are not here, and you know, I can't just call them, and I know they would be so proud of me. But I can't call them, and the irony is that if I could call them, then these books wouldn't have existed at all. So I'm feeling really weird, like really bittersweet. But it's okay. I'll compose myself. Right, I can do this. Here goes. Okay, so try not to stab myself. Oh. Oh God, that's a tough one. Hold on. Right. Oh my God, I just got a little groan. Oh. I think I might cry. I've got really weird, like, oh God, like weird adrenaline going through my whole system. Oh my God. I've done it. I've written like a book, a proper book. Wow. I'm just gonna have a moment, just looking at myself. I love the cover. I love the little shiny bits. I can't believe it. Look how, like a book, look how book-like it is. Like a proper book. Oh. Oh, there's my book. It's real. It's real. It's so nice. Love the fact that it's got Penny's and Sharon's words at the back, which is so lovely. I'm just super, oh God, I'm shaking. Oh wow, there's my little picture. It's me. I literally am shaking. Oh God. Wow. Oh wow. It's just crazy. This is just, I mean, I'm a bit speechless. It comes out in the shops tomorrow, the 21st of October. I love it. I love it. And and I hope you do too. I'm gonna go and make a cup of tea and just have a moment. Love you all, thanks for watching. Planet Grief by me, Dipti Tate, available in the shops now.